my channel. For today's makeup look, I decided to do another neon look, but this time just play with the liner. I have posted pictures of when I did graphic liner, but I never filmed it, so I decided to add it up on my channel. I was debating between pink or orange. I know I just did a fuchsia pink, so I decided to do the orange one. I really do like it. It's so appropriate for summer. Hello, orange neon color. And I wanted to play with the gold flakes. I know a lot of people may not want to do this to go out. It's just, I feel like it's super fun. You get creative. I decided to pair it with a nude lip because I didn't want to take away the attention from the eyes. So I hope you guys like it, and if you guys want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start with the Suva Beauty Hydra Effects Liner in Acid Trip. This is actually a UV liner. I did use it on my Halloween makeup tutorial, so it actually glows in the dark. In order to use this, I'm going to drop 2 drops of water inside. 1, 2, and all you do is you mix. I'm going to start by doing my wing like I normally would. Just like that. Oh my god, that is so beautiful. I just want this part to be a little bit sharper, so I'm just going to go in with a makeup palette and make it sharper. We're going to make a cut crease line above the crease. So just look at your natural crease, where it naturally goes. Follow through. Make like a thin line at first, and then we're going to go over it. And then kind of make it curve with the wing liner. And you want to go over it to make it thicker. You want to make sure that the cut crease that you're creating is above your own crease, because otherwise when you open your eye you won't see it. Okay, there we go. So now I'm going to highlight my brow bone, and I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy Highlighter. I'm going to be using an E14 brush by Morphe. I'm going to drag a little bit more of the highlighter right here on the curve. The next thing that we're going to do is add the gold flakes, and use these gold flakes I found at Dollarama. So I'm going to use my tweezers, and I'm going to use some lash glue. Wherever you feel like you can put a piece of gold flake, but above the crease. I just want it to be a little bit more creative. Okay, so now I'm just going to curl my lashes using my spoon. So now I'm going to curl my lashes with mascara, and I'm going to be using the Bad Gal Bang by Benefit. Today I'm going to wear the Stush extension lashes. These ones are in the style Stush. This pair actually has a clear band. Ugh, I love this. Okay, so now we're going to do foundation, and I'm going to be using my NYX Total Control Drop Foundation in the shade Beige. I barely even have any left in here. The dropper doesn't catch anything anymore, so I'm going to pour some on my face. I'm taking a shot. That's what my husband said in my last video. Okay, and now I'm just going to use my beauty blender to even it out. Okay, next we gotta conceal these eyes. So I'm gonna use the Kiss New York Pro Touch Dark Under Eye Concealer. It's another week and I still have not ordered my concealer. I will, I promise. Probably by the end of this week I have already ordered it, which I'm pretty sure I will, because I don't know what I'm gonna do without a concealer, without this concealer. I'm gonna highlight the bridge of the nose and the forehead, a little bit on the chin. The Cupid's bow. Now I'm just going to set my under eye, and I'm going to bake it using the DermaBlend Loose Setting Powder in the shade Cool Beige. Make a line there and tap away. And whatever's left on my sponge, I'm just gonna tap some on my forehead, a little bit on the chin, and the upper lip. So So now I'm just going to contour my nose. And as always, I'm going to be using the Hoola bronzer by Benefit. With the angled eyeshadow brush by Sephora, I'm going to contour my nose. For the moment, we're going to leave my nose like that. Now I'm going to contour my face. For that, I'm going to be using the Kiss New York Contour Kit in the shade Medium. And I'm going to be using the darkest shade. I'm going to take my Sigma F40 brush. And I want to be nice and sculpted. So we're going to go deep with this. I'm going to contour my forehead just a little bit. And I'm also going to contour my jawline. Okay, so for my waterline, I wasn't sure what to do with it. You could leave it just like that, but if you didn't want to just leave it like that, you could do what I'm going to do. So I'm going to be using this Slim Pencil Liner in the shade Dark Brown by NYX. So I'm just going to put this in my waterline. And just to like kind of smoke that color out, I'm going to be grabbing the same shade I used for my contour. I'll be using a pencil brush by Sigma. Apply it really close to the lower lash and smoke it out. Now I'm going to dust the powder off of my under eye using the Wet n Wild P65 brush. Next, I'm going to soften up the contour on my nose using the NYX No Filter Finishing Powder in the shade Medium Olive. And I'm going to be using my Beauty Blender. I'm just like tapping it on and apply it on the contour. This will soften up that color and make it look more of a natural shade. Now we're gonna warm up the face. I'm gonna be using the same contour kit, but this time I'll be using this shade right here with my favorite brush from Wet n Wild, P60 brush. A little bit on the nose, also a little bit around the forehead and the neck. For blush, I'm going to use my Morphe 9B blush palette. I'm going to be picking out this orange shade. And I'm going to be using the P70 brush by Wet n Wild. I'm going to apply this on the apples of my cheeks. I'm going to also use some on the tip of the nose. To highlight my cheekbones, I'm going to go back into the Amrezy Highlighter. And I'm going to be using the Lime Crime blush brush for that, just because I feel like it applies it better. I'm going to apply some on my Cupid's bow, a little bit on the chin. And to highlight the nose, I'm going to be using the Morphe G20 brush. It's just a smaller brush to be more precise on the tip of the nose and the bridge of the nose. With a Morphe E36 brush, I'm just going to grab some of that same highlighter and I'm going to add it to my inner corner. So before I move on to my lips, I'm just going to coat my bottom lashes. I completely forgot. For my lips, I'm going to overline them using the Slim Pencil Liner in the shade Soft Brown. Oh my god, I know they're so tiny. I need to buy new ones. My lips look very pink right now because I tried a different lipstick, but I didn't like it. So the next liner that I'm going to use is a darker shade, the NYX Slide On Lip Liner in the shade Beyond Nude. To contour the lips, or just the Cupid's bow, under the lip, and the outer corners of the lip. Now for the lip color, I'm going to be using the Dose of Colors Desi X Katie lipstick in the shade More Creamer Please. And I'm going with a nude color just to not take away attention from the eyes. I'm just going to add some lip gloss with Gold Flakes. This is the Dose of Colors Desi X Katie gloss in the shade Over the Top. And to set everything in place, I'm going to be using, as always, the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. If you did, please don't forget to thumbs this video up. And also, don't forget to leave in the comments down below your thoughts on this makeup look. I'm thinking about doing a Q&A very soon, so I'm just going to be posting on Twitter, Instagram, and here on YouTube under the community option. You guys can leave your questions that you have about me there, and I will answer them in my Q&A video. I still don't know when I'm going to do the Q&A video, but I'll keep you guys posted. I'll see you guys till my next video. Bye! Oh my god, I have a gold piece on my hair. The circle of your life. So excited for that movie. It comes out on my birthday. The water long as how hard I try, and all